Hello everyone and welcome to 1203 668 Columbia Street in beautiful New Westminster. I'm Hermary and I just finished doing a virtual open house here, and as usual there are a couple of questions I don't have an opportunity to address during the virtual open, as well as some great features about this property I'd love to highlight for you. So thank you for spending some time with me this morning. This is a 596 square foot, 1-bedroom, 1-bath home. It's located in the iconic 5-year new Trapp and Holbrook building in the key neighborhood of New West. But being that we're on Columbia Street, we get to take advantage of some of the great perks that downtown New West has to offer. Steps away from restaurants, coffee shops, the Key, and only a 5-minute walk to SkyTrain. If you commute by vehicle, super easy access to Vancouver, Richmond, the Tri-Cities, and Coquitlam. Trapp and Holbrook has done an excellent job at maintaining the historical charm of New West by maintaining the heritage facade of the exterior and building an absolutely beautiful building with stunning modern interiors. This particular unit, again, 596 square feet, northwest corner facing unit, some of the best views you're going to see in New West, Fraser River views, downtown views, gorgeous large windows bringing in a ton of natural light, in-suite laundry, single parking, as well as tons of closet space. The building itself has a lovely gym, gorgeous rooftop deck, and again, super centrally located. I have a Matterport tour, videos, and photos available for this home, as well as a floor plan. If you'd like to get additional information, please reach out and give me a call or message me. I'd also love to show you this property. It's absolutely a great home, centrally located, priced at $509,900. And I'd love to show it to you. Have a great Saturday. Enjoy your weekend, and thank you for joining me.